How's it going, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to another amazing episode on the channel by yours truly, Scott Tyler. Today, guys, we have an awesome video in store for you. I'm going to be talking about the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus in the year 2021. So this is almost November. It's like late October at this point. I've been using these buds for probably over a year now at this point. So I've gotten plenty of use with them, so I can share with you my honest opinions on these wireless earbuds. So just taking a look at the design at first, overall minimalistic design. I think Samsung killed it with this. The overall case is super simplistic, kind of like a pill shape, and the buds itself are super small and compact. And one thing I really liked compared to the previous gen, just standard Galaxy Buds, is the magnets were finally improved in the earbuds and also in the case, so they don't fall out as easily. And I also had that problem with the original Galaxy Buds. When I tipped them upside down, they would constantly be falling out of the case, which is not good, and you could easily lose them. But as you can see on screen here, the color I have in store is just the standard black version. It has a glossy black case, which is reflective, as you can see in this video, and it's very compact and it can fit in your pocket super easy. And there's one thing I need to talk about, because Apple just released this new technology, and I think Samsung could add this in a software update to these, because overall the hardware is phenomenal on these. I can go into specs all day, but something I think Samsung can really improve on here is to add the feature where if you take the buds out of the case, then it automatically knows what audio source to come out of, either your phone or the buds. If it knows that the earbuds are out of the case and out of your ears, then it should play through your phone since you don't have them in your ears. Apple has it so it detects your skin, basically. And if Samsung can implement this into their software update, I would absolutely love that. But on screen here, you can just see how they have that fin and they will not fall out of my ears. And that's honestly probably the #1 reason I love these. I find my ears maybe are like slightly misshaped and earbuds fall out kind of easily. So with that fin in the ear, it makes it super nice and like a tight fit, and they do not easily fall out. But overall, as you can see in that video, and as you can see right, these are water resistant, so they're IPX2, I believe. So you'll get some good water and like sweat resistance from these when you're working out or you're running in the rain or something like that. So that's obviously a big plus. Design still has that like rubber silicone tip on the end. It's cheaply made, but honestly, it's lasted this long, so I can't really complain. It's a little shiny on the outside, though. Has those fins easily labeled left and right on the earbuds. And obviously, I don't even have to talk about sound quality in this video because the sound quality is great, and Samsung has been killing it with the tuning by AKG. I love the black color, I love the case, I love the portability. This is honestly the best bang for your buck earbuds you can pick up right now in 2021. These are only $99 on Amazon.com. I'll leave a link in the description for you guys to go pick these up. These are my favorite earbuds. I rock these all the time, listening to podcast music, you name it. And yeah, everyone, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. Help me reach 1,000 subs and achieve my goals. I appreciate all you guys watching my content. Comment down below what other tech you want me to check out. And I'll see you guys in the next video. From Scott Tyler, peace out, everyone. Go get the Galaxy Buds Plus because they are amazing headphones. And honestly, they're a great budget value.